What's up everyone, in today's video we're gonna be watching Infinite. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. My name is Cade and my brother is Kirby, by the way. So make sure to like and subscribe. Sorry for telling it twice. Just wanted to letting you know. Let's get right into the video.
Oh, that was a real sneeze. Oh my. What's going on, guys? Infinite Lists here, back with another video. Now today we are going to be looking at the weirdest and loudest and just weirdest sneezes ever. But first, let's try to make myself sneeze. I don't think I've ever sneezed in a video, and I think my sneeze is kind of funny, so let's try it. Before we do that, guys, make sure you are subscribed. Here's today's shout out. Thank you so much for subscribing.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe to me.
Turn on notifications and commenting down below. You're the freaking best, guys. Also, cop my merch. It is the first link in the description. So soft, so cheap, so nice. It got new merch. It's so cool. Right here on the screen. It's like 2 years old now, but still, it's so nice, guys. Go cop some, guys. It's so good. Alright, guys, let's try to make myself. Did I just say snelf? What? Myself sneeze. In 3, 2, 1. I don't like this. This is the weirdest thing ever. Oh. Why is there scary music right now? Put on something like nice. Come on. Okay, that's better. Oh, that felt so weird. Oh, I hate this so much. Come on, dude. It's not working. I'm so sorry, guys. If I sneeze, I won't cut it out of the video. This is a part 2 video. I couldn't make myself sneeze last video either. What the heck, dude? I'm also going to be rating the sneezes on this whiteboard. 10 out of 10 sneeze, that's going to be really funny, really weird. And 1 out of 10 sneeze is just a normal lame sneeze. So let's get right into it. Alright, we got a girl just chilling. Recording herself, I don't know why. Wait, can we play that again? That was amazing. Amazing. What should we rate that, guys? That was, that was a pretty weird sneeze. It was kind of funny. Let's go 7 out of 10. Oh, that looks like 7 out of 16. 7 out of 16. Fine, that works too. Whatever. Whenever I sneeze and I'm like with people, I try to make my sneeze the loudest it can be so I can just scare everyone. I don't know. I'm a freaking troll, guys. Ugh. That sounded so gross.
A cough and a sneeze.
It was a cough. That's so funny. That was weird. That was super gross. Let's just play that first part again. That was just. Let's rate that real quick. I really hope this. It does smell like farted, coughed, and sneezed at the same time. I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. That was just it's just disgusting. Is sniffing pepper? What? It sounds like a freaking cat. What the heck? Let's play that one more time. I'm sorry, I was talking. Let's just play it. What the heck? That was a weird sneeze. What? How is that real? There's no way, dude. That sounded like a cat or like a little kitten just meowing. Like, what? I really hope you guys can't hear that wind. It is so windy outside. It's making a really weird sound, and I'm sorry if you can hear it. I don't know. It's okay. On to the next one. What? No way! What is he doing? That's weird. I give that sneeze a 7.2348 out of 10. Very specific, I know, but just how I feel about it, so don't judge me. Ugh! That was disgusting! What? Oh, I'm so... Oh my god, that was disgusting! Ew, bro, what the heck? Over your freaking out, bro. I'm not even gonna rate that sneeze. You don't deserve a rating. You freaking sneezed all freaking gross, dude. That looks like I peed myself, dude. Are you kidding me, dude? What the heck? Everyone's gonna think I peed myself. When's she gonna sneeze? The anticipation? When is she gonna sneeze? I'm okay. Everything just exploded. I don't know why. Guys, I'm gonna have to rate that a 8 out of 10, I guess. I don't know. Let's just continue. World's cutest sneeze goes to that kid. How do you make a sneeze that cute? He was just like, hi, too. Whoa. What is this? It's like a cough, sneeze, or... What? Jesus! What? Was that a cough or a sneeze? I couldn't really tell. I think it was both. That was like 5 or 6 sneezes back to back. That's crazy. My record is like, I think 4, maybe 5. I don't know. What is your guys' records for sneezing? 4 or 5, that's mine. Try to beat me. You probably can't, because I'm the frickin' best. That was like a fart mouth sneeze. That was great. I'm gonna rate that. I don't even want to pick up that whiteboard anymore, so I'm just gonna rate it a subscribe. What is this? Picking his nose. That's amazing. Like, what are you guys laughing at? I just sneezed. That's actually such perfect timing. Oh my god, that is amazing. She literally made him doing that. She read his mind, or like telekinesis, or freaking I don't know, dude. That was cool though. What? Cover your freaking mouth, disgusting. Ugh. Look at all that stuff coming out. Jesus, freaking waterfall everywhere. You're gonna have to mop after that one. What the heck? Okay, I can already tell this is gonna be the cutest thing ever. What was that? Was that a sneeze or was that a yell? I couldn't tell. That was amazing. Cutest baby sneeze ever. I think that one might be cuter than the kid who went achoo. That one was good. Guys, are you ready for the last clip of the video? Drop a like right now. Comment below saying chicken chalupa, and I'll be hearting some comment. I don't know why I picked these weird words. Just do it and drop a like. I'm done. What was that? This grandpa, oh my god. This is amazing. What is he doing? Oh, let's give that a quick little rating, real quick. What do you guys think it's gonna be? What do you guys think it's gonna be? Oh, it's oops, stupid. That wasn't even funny. Thank you so much for watching the video. Definitely make sure to smash the fattest and hugest and just chubbiest like of 2018. Alright, if this video can get 30k likes, I'll make a part 3. Definitely
Sorry about that, guys.
make sure to check out part 1. It'll be linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Comment chicken chalupa. Make sure to do that. Drop a like. I'm not gonna run out.
That was just my big sister.
Thank you guys for watching.
Cousin, I mean. Okay, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.